These are the easiest chocolate keto cookies you'll ever make. Whip them up with a satisfying crunch and sweet enough to cure any sweet tooth craving. Or go for a light and airy texture, perfect for that ultimate keto cookie crisp. Let's get started. First, you'll need 2 tablespoons water. Next, grab your almond flour. Or, if you prefer, you can use hazelnut flour, especially if you're watching your oxalates. But either way, you'll need 2 tablespoons. Now add 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. I'm using Dutch processed, and you can go with either Hershey's or Ghirardelli's. Next, we're adding 2 tablespoons erythritol for sweetness. Then, we'll need some egg white protein powder, 1 tablespoon of that. And finally, for our last ingredient, use 1 tablespoon of either milk protein powder or whey protein powder. Now it normally won't be this dry. Mine's been sitting for a while, so it's a little bit firmer than usual. Under normal circumstances, it'd be more moist and it would mix a lot quicker. But when you do finish mixing this up, you should have a consistency kind of like chocolate frosting. Now if you don't have any pre-cut parchment paper, no worries. Just take a sheet and place it over your microwave tray. Then press along the inner edge to make an impression. Then simply cut along that line with scissors. This is the simplest way I've found to make a circle piece to fit that microwave insert. Now place your dough mixture in the center of the parchment paper. And as you can see here, it's going to be sticky. So this is where a firm spatula comes in handy. Unfortunately, this one, the one I started with, is not quite strong enough. But switching to a firmer one makes it way easier to spread this dough out evenly. Once it's spread out, clean up the edges and try to get the dough to an even thickness. That way it cooks consistently. Place the parchment paper back onto your microwave tray and microwave it on high for 2 minutes. For reference, I'm using a 1000 watt microwave. Once they're done cooking, use a cookie cutter to cut out your cookies. And don't toss the scraps away. They'll make an awesome crunchy topping for any dessert. You could also whip up your favorite cream filling and make yourself some thin, keto-friendly Oreos. But if you're craving something savory, check out my microwave pizza recipe right here. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.